my stylish pearls? Welcome back to my channel, and today's new video is going to be me showing you guys how I crimp my hair without using any type of heat, no type of crimping tools, anything like that, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys the easy way to crimp your hair, to give your hair that little crimp effect. I don't know if you guys ever seen like the smaller crimps like they used to wear like back in the day maybe, but I'm gonna show you guys the easy way to critique that hairstyle. So yeah, if you guys keep watching this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my nice crimps going. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, find this video helpful. This cute little hairstyle, I actually ended up loving it. It came out better than what I expected to. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know what type of videos you want to see next, and continue watching. don't mind the hickey on my face, you guys, and don't mind my nails. My nails are pretty much a dummy hand. I was a dummy hand for a new nail tech that will be soon revealed, but she's practicing and they actually look good for her very first set of nails. But we only did one hand, but don't come for me like, why she got one hand done and no one hand not done? So that's why. Yeah, so pretty much I'm just taking my braids down on this frontal wig unit. I am actually turning into, me and my daughter, we about to be twinsies. So I don't know when y'all see this video, but just keep watching and make sure you hit that subscribe button.